Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Gas prices will be going down tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $4.50 less, their lowest rates since March this year. Diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will, however, increase for a third straight week, selling for $3.06 more. Kerosene will go down by 25 cents. 70 cents will be cut from the price of propane and $3.06 from butane. Jamaica spent more money on imports at the end of June this year compared to last year. Statin says for the January to June period, spending on imports was valued at $3.8 billion US. That's a 37.4% increase over the same period in 2021.
This increase was largely attributable to higher imports of fuels and lubricants, raw materials, intermediate goods, and consumer goods, which went up by 70.7%, 28.5%, and 33.8% respectively.
Ms. Coy adds that the country also earned more from exports.
Revenues from total exports amounted to $801 million US, an increase of 2.3% relative to the comparable 2021 period. Domestic exports accounted for 82.3% of total exports and were valued at $659.6 million US, a decline of 3.3%. The decline in domestic exports was due to a 65.5% decline in the value of alumina exports.
Exports from the manufacturing industry grew by 32.2% due to a 60.4% uptick in the export of refined petroleum products. The performance of the services industries improved over the first half of the year. Gross domestic product for all services industries increased during the period when compared to the second quarter in 2021. Director General of Statin, Carol Coy, says the restaurant and hotel industry saw a rebound as the expiration of some COVID-19 requirements boosted travel to the island.
Value added for all services industries increased during the period when compared to the second quarter of 2021. Hotels and restaurants grew by 56%, impacted by the 79.2% increase in foreign national arrivals to the island during the period. The wholesale and retail trade, repairs, installation of machinery and equipment grew by 7.6%. Transport, storage, and communication by 5.7%, and other services, which includes the entertainment and tourism-related activities, grew by 9.8%.
The US dollar is being sold for an average $153.68. $111.71 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $174.45 for the pound, while it's costing $153.86 for the euro. And to the stock market now, the JSE index lost 907 points today, while the junior market index gained 25 points. Among the advancers, Margaritaville Turks, Everything Fresh, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares, and Stanley Motor. Decliners include Productive Business Solutions US dollar shares, Productive Business Solutions 9.75% cumulative redeemable shares, Trans Jamaican Highway 8%, Sagicor Select Funds Manufacturing and Distribution, and Panjam Investment. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.